Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel. This video is on how to make your own cheese, and it is super easy to make. You only use milk, vinegar, and some salt. I really enjoyed making this video. It was so cool to realize that I could actually make cheese myself. You do need a cooking thermometer to make sure you get the milk hot enough. If you don't have one, just ask a friend or neighbor to borrow theirs. You also need a cheesecloth, but you could try a pillowcase that has a low thread count if you don't have a cheesecloth. Start by pouring a gallon of milk into a large 4 to 6 quart saucepan. Heat the milk on a medium heat until it gets to 180 degrees. Stir it regularly so it doesn't burn at the bottom of the pan. Shut off the burner and stir in about, half a cup of vinegar. Keep stirring and soon you will see curds form. It is so fun to watch. After about 10 or 15 minutes or so, when it looks like the curds and whey are all separated, get a slotted spoon and start gathering the curds and put them in a cheesecloth that is placed over a strainer. Put the strainer in the sink when you do this, so any extra liquid will drain into the sink. Add some salt at this point. The first time I made this, I didn't put enough salt, so I would suggest that you blow on a little piece of cheese until it's cool enough and taste it before you move on to the next part. You can also add some spices to your cheese at this point if you want. Gather the ends of the cheesecloth and tighten the cheesecloth around the cheese. You are trying to smash the curds together to make a firm ball. If you look closely at the cheese on the video, you can see that I probably could have smashed it tighter. You can kind of see where it's not quite as tight. This can be very hot on your hands. Be careful not to burn yourself. After I made this the first time, I thought that it would have been a good idea to wear clean plastic gloves for some protection on my hands. Now wind it around a few times just to tighten up the cheese some more. Let it hang where it can drain for an hour or so, and take the cheese out of the cheesecloth and put it in the fridge. Enjoy eating it in a variety of ways, like eating it with bread or crumbling it like feta cheese and putting it over salads. That is all there is to it. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe.